Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
Do these curtains not look absolutely perfect in my bedroom? They match so well. These are by Home Ideas and they are the 52 by 84 inch. So you get two panels, so it covers one window really nicely, and it is so pretty. The fabric is really soft and smooth, but it's a thicker fabric, so it does hold its shape really well. I really like how they hang nicely in our bedroom, just straight down. I don't have to worry about them blowing all over the place. My last curtains were just lace and they were long, and I felt like they were always in my way. But these are nice. They stay on the wall. They stay draped down right where I want them to. I also love that the back is a neutral background, so from the outside of our house, it is not bright yellow. They're also really great blackouts. So now every night I can't tell you how many times I have overslept because these things make our room so dark and I sleep so good in the morning. Even for naps, I can close these things, and they're still light that gets through on the edges and everything, but they do a really good job of making our bedroom feel really dark. They're super easy to open. They have the metal grommets at the top, and so they just slide really easily on our curtain rod. These things will look beautiful in your house. Enjoy them.
But that's just my point of view.